Guys, I've received so many DMs from you guys asking me the same question. How do some creators get away with using copyrighted music, aka proper music, in their YouTube videos? Well, as always, if a lot of you guys ask me the same question, I'm going to respond with a YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you could use copyrighted music from artists such as Wiz Khalifa, Ice Spice, Justin Bieber, Dua Lipa, and so many more. This video is sponsored by Licked. Let's get to it. Honestly, guys, I'm so excited to break this down to you because I just know that by the end of this video, I feel like a lot of you are going to have your minds blown. And the reason why is because I know that you have been in a situation before where you've been watching your favorite YouTuber and then all of a sudden a song by Dua Lipa comes on and you're like, hold on.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
How is this person playing a Dua Lipa song or Ice Spice in the background? Like, how are they getting away with using this music? Now, if you're new to the world of copyrighted music, you might hear someone use a track like that and not think twice. The reason why a lot of people are confused as to how these other creators can use copyrighted songs in their music is because YouTube have strict rules in place, which prevents creators from using music without the artist's permission. Now, the key word here is permission. In this video, I'm going to share a way in which you can use copyrighted music whilst also gaining permission to do so. Because yes, there is actually a way to get the rights to use some of your favorite songs in your YouTube videos. You just need to know how. Okay, so let's talk about how copyright actually works on YouTube. In order for me to do that, I need to explain something called the first rule of copyright. Essentially, creators should only upload videos that they have made or that they have authorization to use. That means that they should not upload videos that they didn't make or use content in their videos that someone else owns the copyright to, such as music tracks, aka what we're talking about today, snippets of copyrighted programs or videos made by other users without the necessary authorizations. Now, what happens if you use this copyrighted music in your YouTube videos without the necessary authorizations, I hear you ask me? Well, YouTube can enforce copyright. This basically happens when a copyright owner will submit a valid claim to YouTube. When that happens, YouTube might take down your video and also apply a copyright strike. Now, a very important part here, guys. If a user gets 3 copyright strikes within the span of 90 days, your account, along with any other associated YouTube channels, will be taken down. What you might be thinking is, surely I can get away with using a copyrighted song because what are the chances that the owner of that copyright is going to find out that I've used their song? Well, we live in the age of advanced technology. They have systems, they have bots, they have programs in place which scour the internet to ensure that they are aware whenever someone is using their copyrighted music. So you might be thinking, who's going to notice little old me sharing a Justin Bieber song? Justin Bieber will notice. Maybe not him specifically, but the people who are in charge of his copyright, they will notice and you will potentially get in trouble with YouTube. So how do we avoid this and how do we stay in YouTube's good books whilst using copyrighted music? This is where Licked comes in. Licked is the only platform which gives YouTube creators like you watching this video right now access to mainstream music. You can literally find music on Licked that you can't find anywhere else. In fact, they have 1.4 million mainstream tracks available for you to use, as well as some royalty-free music. So let's do a quick behind the scenes of my Licked account so that you can see how you can get set up and start to use mainstream music. Straight away, what you'll see is your dashboard where you'll see some of the biggest tracks from people like Sabrina Carpenter. Guys, maybe I'm living under a rock, but I could not name one of her songs. I know she's like one of the biggest people in the world right now. Could not name one of her songs. But if you did want to use her tracks, you can see that some of them are available via Licked. So when you click the link below, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have the opportunity to get started with your 14-day free trial. Now, I went ahead and created a new account with Licked just to show you a couple of the steps that you'll need to go through to get started. So you'll need to enter a few bits of information like your email address, go through some security checks. And then once you're done, you'll be given the opportunity to either connect your channel straight away, or you can press the skip button and go straight ahead to creating your own account. Once that's done, you'll be able to select your creator plan, which is on the left, and get started with your free trial. Now, when you join Licked, you can either search for a song if there's one that you have in mind, or you can use the browse features to go through the different genres and try and find a song that's right for you. So for me, I'd click on genres and then I would go straight to R&B and soul, my favorite genre. And then I would search through the different songs here. Like I can already see that you've got Aaliyah, honestly, one of my favorite artists of all time. Click on Aaliyah and then I would find the tracks that I like the most. I mean, I can already see that they've got multiple tracks from her 2005 album. They've got We Need a Resolution, More Than a Woman, Try Again. Guys, let me know in the comments if you understand what I'm referring to here, because those are potentially some of my most played songs, like on my Spotify. And with the help of Licked, I can have them playing in my videos. mind-blowing. Now, you might be wondering what the benefits of using mainstream music, like some of the tracks that I just showed you, actually is when it comes to the performance of your video. And if you are, I want you to consider a few things. First of all, using mainstream music will help your content stand out from others because let's face it, most people haven't figured out a way to do this yet, right? Studies have also shown that using mainstream music can lead to an increased engagement, specifically 21.6% more likes and 50.9% more comments, which is huge. It can also lead to a higher video retention, which is essentially the amount of the video that people watch. And studies have shown that this has led to a 35.5% increase in watch time. So now hopefully you have an understanding of how YouTube copyright works, but just as importantly, you now know how you can use music and tracks from some of the biggest artists in the world in your own content. You can sign up to Licked and get access to a 14-day free trial via the link in my description. If you feel like hanging around and want to learn more about the money side of YouTube, aka how you can earn income from YouTube, I recommend watching this video. It's all about how much my business earned from YouTube ad revenue in 2023. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I can't wait to see you in my next video.